Hey, good morning. Here we are, back at the funeral home. And in the parking lot here, had a little sinkhole. Okay, when I first put this in, started working on it, it was a little tiny hole, about as big as my finger. But as you can see, it's all been undermined and such. But I've been tamping it down. At the end of my pole here. Now what I'm going to do is I'll come over here to the truck. I'm going to I got a 50-pound bag of QuikCrete. I think that's about what's going to fill it up there. And I'm going to leave it about 2 inches down. I'm going to fill it up with some of this stuff, some cold patch. Okay? Now, stand by. I'll show you step by step. I'm going to mix up the concrete now. I'll throw that in, level it off, and then I'll talk to you in a second. Okay, now I have the concrete in there, and you can see what I'm doing is I'm pushing it back underneath. I got it pretty wet, so it'll kind of flow. Okay, but I'm going to add a little bit more dry to take that out. I'm just trying to get it into where it's going to be so I can get some. This is going to be try to get through my fix anyway without tearing up the whole driveway. But anyway, I'm going to add a little bit more concrete, get her up there within 2 inches, and then I'll finish her off with my cold patch after she sets up a little bit. Hey, how you doing? Now, one of the tools you're going to need for this, or will be handy anyways, is a tamp. And what you want to do is before you start tamping, you want to get some, preferably kerosene, but anything will work, down to WD-40. And you're going to spray it on the bottom. Otherwise, it's going to look like this. You can see this. Used this on the Quick last time, didn't have anything to throw on it. And it's all full of granules and asphalt and crazy shit like that. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean it off. Then I'm going to oil it. Then I'm going to put the cold patch in there. And I'm going to finish up my repair. But right now, like I said, I got to clean this off real quick. I'm going to use a little heat and a trowel, and it should clean right up. But just something to remember. Alright, now I've got a little bit of cold patch in there on top of my concrete. And hold on, I'm upside down. Here we go. Now, what I like to do is I like to tamp it as I go without putting a big, trying to get this repair to last as long as I can. Because we're looking at an overlay on this whole parking lot, but it might be a while. That's one of the reasons I didn't just fill the hole up with concrete all the way to the top. I just wanted to be able to get it when they mill it. I didn't want them hitting concrete. I don't know if that matters, but it mattered to me. So now I'm going to dump a little more cold patch in there, and I'll tamp it down some more, and I'll just keep going it till it's how I want it. Thanks for watching. Alright, now remember, you want to fill it up a little proud and tamp it down, but your final has to be nice and level so water doesn't pool in there. Okay? So don't forget to coat your tamp with a little bit of kerosene or oil, or at least WD. Give it a little pushing in there. I think I need a little bit more cold patch. Just a little. All right.